Do you know that if you want to talk like a Thai, you cannot use the word khun in every situation นะ ไม่ได้ค่ะ And now the question is how you can use it properly, right? So let me make it easy for you. Two scenarios. The first one, you already know that person. The second one, you have no idea who that person is. All right? So for the first scenario, you already know that person. And in this scenario, you can use two ways. The first way, just use your friend name as a subject of a sentence. Let's see, my friend is Emily, and I want to ask her, Emily, what are you doing? I would say, Emily กำลังทำอะไร Emily กำลังทำอะไร Of course, add the word ค่ะ or krab at the end to make it more polite. And then the second way, you can just skip the name. That easy, right? So you can just simply say กำลังทำอะไร กำลังทำอะไร Okay, so the second scenario, you have no idea who that person is. So again, two ways to say that. The first one, you can just skip the name and just do like that, like the first one, you know, กำลังทำอะไร That's totally fine. The second one, if you want to be more special, more local, you add the title for them in front. If they are older than you use the word P. And if they are younger, you use the word น้อง If they are probably auntie age, you can say น้า or ป้า Or if that person is uncle's age, you can just say ลุง Grandparents age, you can say ตาas granddad, and then yai for grandma. Don't forget that these kind of titles you can use with strangers or you can use with someone you already know. Like if I have someone who's older than me, let's say who's P. If I say P Emily, you know, I can also use that as well. That's it. And now you have question when you can use the word khun, right? So let me make it easy for you. Khun is like Mr. or Mrs. So you actually use this with, you know, with the kind of formal situation or the situation where you talk to people who has higher rank than you or people who you want to give respect, like your boss or your customer maybe. And also the word khun usually follow with the name. Khun Kate, Khun Justin, something like that. If you don't know the person name, you can also say khun itself. It's also fine too. Easy, right?